My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called GetAnAntivirus. The video will demonstrate to you why exactly the ransomware is called like that. It will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Now you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack you are able to open files without any problems, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities, this ransomware called GetAnAntivirus may be easily injected into the device. Now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware changes the desktop background with this really scary picture. The ransomware also encrypts the files and adds this special extension that is called GetAnAntivirus. It's the additional extension, and this extension is appended to all the files. The ransomware also places this ransomware note on the computer screen. In brief, it mentions that the victims need to pay the ransom for file recovery and to contact the developers using this email address. However, paying the ransom or contacting the developers doesn't guarantee that the files will be restored. So don't ever pay the ransom. We recommend you to get rid of this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus software. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus, anti-ransomware for this purpose. Go to the website combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner through this official resource. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system. The software is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan and then begin carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But once again, this feature is the component of the premium license only. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is successfully completed. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect the majority of contemporary threats, including adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimizers, and of course ransomware. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I do recommend that you upgrade to premium. This way your data will always be protected in the future.